Okay, welcome to number 126. These beautiful townhomes. We'll walk in here and check it out. Solid surface countertops. Nice arch into the kitchen, separating the living area from the kitchen. Beautiful island. Tile floors. Really nice alder cabinets. Good little appliance package. You got a half bath there and a pantry, and then of course the living area. Good space, good layout, good design. Half bath and a pantry here in the corner, which is very, very handy. And then to the garage. These are nice garage units here. 2-car garages. These units with openers. Good space here. And I'll just pan back the other direction here so you can kind of get a feel for this living space. Okay, upstairs. Very nicely laid out 3-bed. We'll go in the master first. See, the master has a lot of space here for a desk area or what have you. A little library or reading nook. 2 sinks in the vanity. Large mirror, vanity lighting, shower, and walk-in closet with the toilet. Okay, walk out the master. Back, and I'll just show you the hallway. Directly to the right, of course, are the stairs up. Then we have laundry with uppers, attic access. Good sized laundry room. Little folding table there. These doors on the left are heater, water heater. This is 3rd bathroom here, 2nd full. Tile surround. Bedroom 3. And however you want to count it, bedroom 2 here. 3-bed total. Okay. If you have any questions about this townhome, you can call us direct or bring us for a personal tour. We appreciate you watching the virtual tour. By the way, air conditioning is going right now, which feels great on this warm July day. You can reach us at the Countrywide Properties Group, Keller Williams Realty, East Idaho, 208-356-7300. Thanks for watching.